So euro is continuing to show weakness. That furthers the case for central bank intervention there, lowering interest rates when they were maybe looking at a 1 minute open, when they were looking for a hike sometime soon. That is not going to happen. China came out with some pretty strong language, basically saying that they have plenty of reserves, plenty of room for interest rates to continue to fight this trade deal, and that is about it. Those are going to be the things that we're going to look at. We'll see what happens when we open up in about 40 seconds, and we'll see what we can get into. And are we going to take off, or is this a head fake to the upside? We will see.